Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the mop water flow levels on MOVA V50 Ultra. You can, by pressing on the button in the bottom left corner, you can either set it to Clean Genius, which will intelligently adjust the settings of the mop water flow. You can only here set vacuum and mop or mop after vacuuming. And enable deep cleaning. Besides that, all the parameters will be set automatically, but you can also set it to custom and set it yourself. Then in mop, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming, you will have the option to change the mop wetness. Besides that, you can also change the mop temperature to normal or warm. You can change the mop wetness from 1 to 32, but just don't go too much in either direction unless you need it. The drier modes are better for like animals. If you have animals that may slip on the floor because of that, and the wetter ones are for deeper cleaning, but it will basically it may be too wet, right? Then Mop Washing Frequency is also a setting that you can set. Means that after cleaning a certain area, or after cleaning for a certain time, or after cleaning one room, here you can set it, it will return to the station to wash the mop. And then the last thing is the route. In the mopping and mop after vacuuming, you have 4 different modes. There's the quick one, the standard route, the intensive, and the deep route. So you can also set that. Of course, the deeper it is, the more time it will take and the more water, but it will be more precise. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.